about this house?
I think this house is pretty good.
Yeah?
What do you think about this house?
I think it's humongous. I think it's...
Hey guys, I'm here at one of the coming soon properties that we have here in Carmel Valley. I have some of the team here working in the background. But let me go ahead and show you what this property has. It's a really nice property. So this is the backyard, as you can tell, and it's beautiful. They redid the swimming pool, so they had to come in here, refinish it. They did an excellent job, and I'll kind of give you a quick tour from the inside, but obviously they're still working on it. Let's go ahead and go inside. And look at this. They're gonna add new furniture in here for now. Get it all beautiful. Look at this work. So I work with Simon and Alex, and they just have such great way of like making properties look really nice. They keep it classy. They have their style that they stay with. And this room here, so you have this nice living room area plus a sunroom that goes out to the swimming pool to the backyard. So we'll just kind of take a tour this way. That leads out to the garage and the washroom. Half bath there. Check this out. Look at that, how pretty. So pretty, you guys. Let's go ahead and get you pre-qualified so that you have the opportunity to purchasing this property or any other properties that come up on the market. You know, don't worry. Financing is really great, and because they've gotten strict on the financing, it's going to be even better for those that qualify. Look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. Can I get some light in here? Look at that. Amazing. The flooring is beautiful. And if you have any more questions, let me know.
Okay.